Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Welcome to the second quarterfinals of Quiz Mathematics Kebangsaan kali keempat, and assisting me in today's quiz are our timekeeper Haja Milawati Haji Agan, our scorers Mariati Muhammad Yasin, our adjudicators Lo Tibu and Tagadi, and our board game assistants Masita Sulaiman and Siti Rahayatua. And today's second quarterfinals is between Mahat Islam and Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir. And from Mahat Islam, let's welcome the team captain Ahmad Azhar Haji Muhammad Zaimi of Form 5 and his team members Angku Shazrul Nazrin bin Pangeran Shahbuddin of Form 4, Angku Haji Muhammad Aminul Sarmi bin Pangeran Haji Sarpuddin of Form 3, Muhammad Nazif Haji Naidi of Form 2, and from Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir, the team captain Salman Nawabhan of Form 5, Paul Yu Wun On of Form 4, Wee Kok Hao of Form 3, and Patrick Chun Kim of Form 2. Teams and for viewers at home, there's 5 rounds to this quiz. And throughout the quiz, I shall read each question twice. Each correct answer scores 2 points, and a bonus scores 1 point. So are you ready, teams? I wish you all good luck, and for those viewers at home, stay with us throughout the quiz, and let's see how good you are in your math. Round 1 is a team round on general mathematics. The team members can confer, but only the team captain should give the answer. You have 30 seconds to answer, and there's no bonus offered in this round. So that's about the rules of the game. And let's start the round with Mahat Islam for question 1. The radius of a circle is 5 centimeters. What is the greatest possible area of an inscribed triangle whose base is the diameter of this circle? The radius of a circle is 5 centimeters. What is the greatest possible area of an inscribed triangle whose base is the diameter of this circle? You have 30 seconds. I'll have to refer to the adjudicators for this. Right, so correct, 2 marks for Mahat Islam. Next question goes to Salman Han of Perdana Wazir. Please listen carefully. A triangle has sides 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and 13 centimeters. What is the area of this triangle? A triangle has sides 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and 13 centimeters. What is the area of this triangle? You have 30 seconds from now.
$30 centimeters square.
Correct, so 2 points to Perdana Wazir. Next question goes to Ahmad Azhar of Mahat Islam. Please look at the monitor. ABCD is a square and DEC is an equilateral triangle. What is the value of angle DAE? ABCD is a square and DEC is an equilateral triangle. What is the value of angle DAE? You have 30 seconds from now.
15.
I have to refer to the adjudicators for this?
Accept it as correct answer.
So correct. So 2 points to Mahat Islam. For Salman of Perdana Wazir, please look at the monitor for this question. ABCD is a square and ABP is an equilateral triangle. What is the value of angle DPC? ABCD is a square and ABP is an equilateral triangle. What is the value of angle DPC? You have 30 seconds from now. I'm afraid time is up. The correct answer is 150 degrees. Next question goes to Ahmad Azhar of Mahat Islam. A sum of $3 is made up of an equal number of 10 cents and 50 cents coins. What is the number of each coin? A sum of $3 is made up of an equal number of 10 cents and 50 cents coins. What is the number of each coin? You have 30 seconds from now.
Uh, 15 10 cents and 5 50 cents.
I have to refer to the adjudicators for this.
Answer is wrong.
The answer is incorrect, so the correct answer is 5. Next question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir. A sum of money is made up of 105 cents coins, 200 10 cents coin, and 350 cents coin. What is the total sum? A sum of money is made up of 100 5 cents coins, 200 10 cents coin, and 350 cents coins. What is the total sum? You have 30 seconds from now.
$175.
Correct. So 2 points for Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir. Next question goes to Ahmad Azhar of Mahat Islam. Please look at the monitor. What is the value of x in this sequence? What is the value of x in this sequence? You have 30 seconds.
One.
I'll have to refer to the adjudicators for this because I don't have any answer to this question.
Answer is correct.
Correct. So 2 points for Mahat Islam. Next question goes to Salman of Perdana Wazir. Please look at the monitor for this question. How many stars are there in the next term of this sequence? How many stars are there in the next term of this sequence? You have 30 seconds from now.
17 stars.
Correct, so 2 points to Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir. And with that question, we have completed round 1. So let's have a look at the scores for both teams. It looks like Mahat Islam has managed to score 6 points. And Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir has managed to score 6 points. So it looks like both teams are on the lead, and for viewers at home, stay with us for round 2. This is an individual round on arithmetic and algebra. Only the team member who is asked the question may answer. No other members of the team can give any help, and you have 20 seconds to answer. Now, if the answer is wrong or no answer is given, then I shall offer the question to the opposite member of the other team for a bonus. And as usual, the answer must then be given within 10 seconds for the bonus. So let's start the first question to Patrick of Perdana Wazir of Year 2. Please listen carefully. What is the value of 50 times 49 times 20? What is the value of 50 times 49 times 20? You have 20 seconds.
$49,000.
Correct. 2 points to Perdana Wazir. Next question goes to Year 2 to Muhammad Nazif of Mahat Islam. What is the value of 25 times 55 times 40? What is the value of 25 times 55 times 40? You have 20 seconds.
5,500.
Can you repeat that, please?
5,500.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect, so I'll have to pass the question to Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir for a bonus.
55,000.
Correct, so 1 bonus point to Perdana Wazir. Next question goes to Angku Haji Muhammad Aminul of Mahat Islam. Please listen carefully. If xy equals 1 and x squared plus y squared equals 8, what is the value of x plus y, the whole thing squared? If xy equals 1 and x squared plus y squared equals 8, what is the value of x plus y, the whole thing squared? You have 20 seconds. I'm afraid time is up, so I'll have to pass the question to Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir for a bonus. I'm afraid both teams are unable to answer the question. The correct answer is 10. Next question goes to Wee Kok Hao of Perdana Wazir, Year 3. If p squared plus q squared equals 6 and pq equals half, what is the value of p minus q, the whole thing squared? If p squared plus q squared equals 6 and pq equals half, what is the value of p minus q, the whole thing squared? You have 20 seconds. I'm afraid time is up, so I have to pass the question to Mahat Islam for a bonus.
9.
Can you repeat that, please?
9.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is 5. Next question goes to Paul of Perdana Wazir. Please look at the monitor for this question. What are the elements of A union B intersect R, C? What are the elements of A union B intersect C? You have 20 seconds.
1, 2, 3.
Correct, so 2 points to Perdana Wazir. Next question goes to Awangku Shazrul of Mahat Islam. Please look at the monitor. What are the elements of P intersect Q union R? What are the elements of P intersect Q union R? You have 20 seconds.
B, D, E.
I'll have to refer to the adjudicators for this.
Not acceptable.
The answer is incorrect, so I'll have to pass the question to Perdana Wazir for a bonus.
A, B, D, E.
Correct, so 1 bonus point to Perdana Wazir. Next question. To Ahmad Azhar of Mahat Islam. Please listen carefully. What is the acute angle of x which satisfies the equation sine x equals cos 70 degrees? What is the acute angle of x which satisfies the equation sine x equals cos 70 degrees? You have 20 seconds. I'm afraid the time is up, so I have to pass the question to Perdana Wazir.
20 degrees.
Correct, so 1 bonus point to Perdana Wazir. To Salman of Perdana Wazir, please listen carefully. What is the acute angle x which satisfies the equation sine 45 degrees equals cos x? What is the acute angle x which satisfies the equation sine 45 degrees equals cos x? You have
45 degrees.
correct. So 2 points to Perdana Wazir. So that's the end of round 2, and let's look at the overall scores for both teams. It looks like Mahat Islam managed to score 6 points. And Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir managed to score 15 points. So it looks like Perdana Wazir is on the lead, and for Mahat Islam, you have got 3 more rounds to go, so don't worry. So let's move on to round 3. Round 3 is a speed round which can make all the difference. Now, as soon as any member of either team thinks they know the answer, they can buzz in, but the answer must then be given without any hesitation. You don't have to wait for the question to be repeated, and as usual, a correct answer scores 2 points, but if the answer is wrong or player hesitates for too long, then 1 point is deducted from the team's total. If no one answers after 20 seconds, I shall pass on to the next question. So are you ready, teams? And for viewers at home, join us for this round, and teams, try not to smash the buzzers. So here goes the first question. The cost of an article is $1.50 and the selling price is $2. What is the percentage profit? The cost, question goes to Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir.
25%.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. Correct answer is 33 1/3%. So minus 1 mark from your team's total. Next question, please look at the monitor. Which figure has only rotational symmetry? Which figure has only rotational? Question goes to Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir.
C.
Correct. 2 points to Perdana Wazir. Next question. The radius of a circle is 2 centimeters. If the radius is increased by 1 centimeter, what is the ratio of the area of the larger circle to the smaller circle? The radius of a circle is 2 centimeters. If the radius is increased by 1 centimeter, question goes to Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir.
4:9.
I'm afraid I have to refer to the adjudicators for this.
Now the ratio is larger circle to the smaller circle. Wrong answer.
Right, so the correct answer is 9:4. So minus 1 mark from your team's total. Next question. If 4:x equals 2:7, what is the value of x? Question goes to Salman Khan again of Perdana Wazir.
14.
Correct. Next question. If 60 squared equals 3,600, what is the value of 61 squared? If 60 squared is 3,600, what is the value of 61 squared? Question goes to Ahmad Azhar of Mahad Islam.
3,660.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is 3,721. So minus 1 mark from your team's total. Next question. Please look at the monitor. This is an anagram. Question goes to Shazrul of Mahad.
Perfect square.
Correct. Next question. Please look at the monitor. What is the length of CD? What is the length of CD? I'm afraid time is up. The correct answer is 4 centimeters. Next question, please listen carefully. A square of side 30 centimeters is made up of a piece of wire. The wire is now bent into the shape of a regular hexagon. What is the length of the side of the hexagon? Question goes to Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir.
20 centimeter.
Correct. What is the value of 100 squared minus 99 squared? What is the value of 100 squared? Question goes to Ahmad Azhar of Mahad Islam.
199.
Correct. Next question. Please look at the monitor. Which is the largest of these fractions? Which is the largest of these fractions? Question goes to Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir.
A.
Correct. So that's the end of round 3, and let's look at the overall scores for both teams. Looks like Mahad Islam have only managed to score 9 points. And for Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir, you have managed to score 21 points. So Perdana Wazir, you're on the lead, and for Mahad Islam, don't worry, you have got 2 more rounds to go, so you need to work harder. So let's move on to round 4. Teams and for viewers at home, round 4 is an individual round on geometry. No conferring is allowed, and you have 20 seconds to give the answer. If the answer is wrong or no answer is given, then the question will be given to the opposite member of the other team for a bonus. And the answer must then be given within 10 seconds for the bonus. So we begin this round with Year 2 to Muhammad Nazif of Mahad Islam. Please look at the monitor. The lines AB and CD are parallel. What is the value of y? The lines AB and CD are parallel. What is the value of y? You have 20 seconds.
$120.
Correct. 2 points to Mahad Islam. Next question goes to year 2 to Patrick of Perdana Wazir. Please look at the monitor. The lines KL and MN are parallel. What is the value of x? The lines KL and MN are parallel. What is the value of x?
100 degree.
You have 20 seconds.
100 degree.
Correct. So 2 points to Perdana Wazir. For Wee Kok Hao of Perdana Wazir of year 3, please look at the monitor for this question. C is the center of the circle. What is the value of x? C is the center of the circle. What is the value of x? You have 20 seconds from now. I'm afraid Perdana Wazir is unable to answer the question, so I'll have to pass the question to Mahad Islam for a bonus.
$110.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is 140 degrees. Next question goes to Angku Haji Muhammad Aminul Sarni of Mahad Islam. Please look at the monitor for this question. C is the center of the circle. What is the value of x? C is the center of the circle. What is the value of x? You have 20 seconds.
$100 degree.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect, so I'll have to pass the question to Wee Kok Hao of Perdana Wazir.
130 degrees.
I'm afraid again the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is 115 degrees. Next question goes to Angku Shazrul of Mahad Islam of year 4. Which is the equation of a straight line which is parallel to x plus y equals 4 and passes through the point 3, 2? What is the equation of the straight line which is parallel to x plus y equals 4 and passes through the point 3, 2? You have 20 seconds. I'm afraid Mahad Islam is unable to answer for the question, so I'll pass it to Perdana Wazir.
Y equals to minus 2 over 3x plus 4.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is y equals 5 minus x, or y plus x equals 5. Now next question to Paul of Perdana Wazir. What is the equation of the straight line which is perpendicular to the line y minus x equals 3 and passes through the point 2, 1? What is the equation of the straight line which is perpendicular to the line y minus x equals 3 and passes through the point 2, 1? You have 20 seconds from now.
Y equals to minus 2x plus 3.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect, so I'll pass the question to Mahad Islam.
Y is equal to 3x.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect again. The correct answer is y plus x equals 3 or y equals 3 minus x. Next question goes to Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir. Please look at the monitor. The triangle ABC is rotated through 90 degrees anti-clockwise about the origin. What are the coordinates of the image of point C? The triangle ABC is rotated through 90 degrees anti-clockwise about the origin. What are the coordinates of the image of point C? You have 20 seconds.
Minus 1, 3.
Correct. 2 points to Perdana Wazir. Next question goes to Ahmad Azhar of Mahad Islam, Year 5. The rectangle ABCD is rotated through 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. What are the coordinates of the image of point C? The rectangle ABCD is rotated through 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. What are the coordinates of the image of point C? 15 seconds.
4 minus 2.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect, so I'll pass the question to Perdana Wazir.
3 minus 2.
Correct, so 1 bonus point. So that marks the end of round 4. So let's look at the overall scores for both teams. Looks like Mahad Islam have managed to score 11 points. And for Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir, 24 points. So it looks like Perdana Wazir is still on the lead. So stay with us for viewers at home for the last round, and for teams, this is your last chance, so concentrate on this round. Round 5 is a game round played on a square board. A team wins a square on the board by being first to answer the question for that square correctly. If a wrong answer is given, the question is offered to the opposing team. And if neither team gets the right answer, then that square becomes a blank. So 1 point is scored for each square won, and any member of the team can answer. Each letter on the board is the first letter of the answer for that square. Now teams, if you want to win this game, you've got to get 4 squares in a row, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. And the game finishes at that stage. And the winning team scores a bonus of 3 points. Otherwise, the game continues until all the squares are covered. So teams, get ready and concentrate on this one, since this is your last chance to beat each other up for the marks. We start this game with the letter D. What D is a measure in 1 dimension? What D is a measure in 1 dimension? Time is up. The correct answer is distance. So in this case, I'll pick up a letter in random. I'll pick up H. What H is a measure of area in a metric system? What H is a measure of area in the metric system? Question goes to Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir.
Hector.
Correct. So for Perdana Wazir, please choose your letter.
V.
V. What V denotes a measure of unknown quantity? What V denotes a measure of unknown quantity? I'm afraid Pranawaz is unable to answer the question, so I'll have to pass to Mahar Islam. I'll have to refer to the adjudicators.
You are allowed to give the answer.
Just pass on? Right, okay. So I'll choose the next letter, M. What M is the process of repeated addition of a number? Question goes to Ahmad of Mahat.
Multiplication.
Correct. Right, Mahar Islam, can you choose your letter, please?
T.
T?
Yes.
What T is a formation of a design using a certain shape? Question goes to Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir.
Tessellation.
Correct. Right, for Perdana Wazir, can you choose your letter, please?
B.
B. What B is another number system using the digits 0 and 1? Question goes to Ahmad of Mahat.
Binomial. Binary.
I'll have to refer to the adjudicators for this.
First answer is wrong.
So,
Immediately he gave the answer immediately. So we can accept it. But he gave the answer.
And the 10 second.
So it is the first answer that is to be accepted. So you
Right.
don't marks. No
so
marks.
your first answer is binary, so that is considered to be incorrect. So, right, so I'll choose the next random number. Letter. I'll choose A. What A is the standard procedure for performing the operations on numbers? Question goes to Saman Khan of Perdana Wazir.
Addition.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is algorithm. So I'll choose this next random number. S. What S is a part of the line? Question
Segment.
goes to Perdana Wazir.
Segment.
Correct. Right, for Perdana Wazir, can you choose your next letter, please?
U.
U. U. What U denotes the increase is proportional. What U denotes the increase is proportional. Question goes to Ahmad of Mahad Islam.
Unit.
I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is uniform. So I'll choose this next letter, R. What R is a measure of angles using arc length which equals radius? What R is a measure of angles? Question goes to Saman Nawab of Perdana Wazir.
Radian.
Radian, correct. So for Salman, can you choose the next letter, please?
P.
P. What P is the representation of data using a circle? What P is the... Question goes to Salman Khan of Perdana Wazir.
Pie chart.
Correct. Right, so for Salman, can you choose your next letter, please?
I.
I. What I describes a polygon whose sides are not equal? Question goes
Irregular.
to Mahat.
Irregular.
Correct. So for Mahat Islam, can you choose the next letter, please?
C.
C. What C means we are sure of the outcome of an event? What C represents we are sure of the outcome of an event? Question goes to Shazrul of Mahat.
Certain.
I'll have to refer to the educators for this.
Accept it.
Right, so correct. So for Mahat, can you choose the next letter, please?
L.
L. What L is a unit of measure of volume in the metric system? Question goes to Paul of Perdana Wazir.
Liters.
I'll have to refer to the adjudicators.
Accepted.
Correct. So for Perdana Wazir, can you choose your next letter?
F.
F. What F divides a given expression without a remainder? What F divides a given expression without a remainder? Question goes to Ahmad Azhar of Mahat.
Vector.
Correct. So for Mahat Islam, I'll give you the last letter, N. What N are numbers less than 0? What N? Question goes to someone of Perdana Wazir.
Negative numbers.
Correct. So it looks from the score that Mahat Islam managed to score 4 points without any extra bonus. And for Perdana Wazir, they've managed to score 7 points without any bonus. And let's look at the overall scores for both teams. It looks like Mahat Islam managed to score 15 points. And for Sekolah Menengah Perdana Wazir, they've managed to score 33 points. So congratulations to Perdana Wazir for qualifying to the semi-finals. And for Mahat Islam, don't lose hope, because we hope to see you again next year. So for viewers at home, catch us on next week's third quarter-finals between St. Angela and versus St. Andrews. And until then, Assalamualaikum, goodbye.